In this one, we'll be taking a look at how we can view a commit once we have made that. So let's go ahead and check that out. What I'll do is I'll open up my Visual Studio Code editor, and here you can see I have written my first Git file. So I'll write my first and I'll save this. Now what I want to do is I want to commit this, so I can go ahead and say git commit and then am is obviously for the message, and here I can write gh for GitHub 12 and let's say viewing or commit and press enter. So this will be committed. Now if I want to see the commit that I've just made, what I can do is I can make use of a command called show, and to use it we say git show, press enter, and here you'll be able to see the changes that I just made. It says my first Git file and here my first Git. Now there's one more way to access the show command, and that is by making use of the SHA value that we have over here. So I can go ahead and say git show and then the SHA value, like over here in this case it's AB26 DBCE, and that is all that you need to specify. Press enter and there you go, you see that as well. So it says author, date, and the comment that you made while making the commit, and then you have the differences over here. You can also go ahead and make use of the color words option with this one. Press enter, and here you can see it's only highlighting the changes that you made. So first is deleted, that's why it's in a red color, and this first was added, so that's why it's in green color. So color words works with git show as well. And if you have made multiple changes or multiple files in this, then you can obviously make use of shortcuts like F for forward, B for backward, and Q to quit the show mode. So that's how we can view a commit